Crypto Commissions Review. What is Crypto Commissions? Crypto Commissions is a done-for-you cloud-based app that creates 100% automated cryptocurrency affiliate sites in less than 60 seconds and earns commissions and crypto also. You can create automated done-for-you sites that allow you to profit from the hype, earn recurring affiliate commissions, get free crypto, and grow your subscriber list all at the same time. Because of its profit potential, cryptocurrency has become a hot subject. Since it is an entirely intangible commodity, an increasing number of people are entering this sector in the hopes of making a good living. Cryptocurrency is gaining popularity, but it is still very much an insider's party. So, how can you boost the value of your cryptocurrency today, tomorrow, and in the long run? I'd like to introduce you to Crypto Commissions, a fantastic piece of software that will give your company the boost it deserves. You're getting a device created by a 7-figure super affiliate with years of experience in the crypto space. This one-of-a-kind device generates free traffic on autopilot. It not only generates traffic for you, but it also turns the traffic into commissions and cryptocurrency through a specific promotion process. You now have your own beautiful cryptocurrency affiliate platform, complete with fantastic content and pre-monetized with done-for-you ads for 50% lifetime revenue share cryptocurrency affiliate offers. WHO should use Crypto Commissions? This Crypto Commissions, in my opinion, is a great fit for those who are excited about making more money on a money platform. You should seriously consider this product if you fall into any of the following categories. Marketers who work as affiliates, entrepreneurs, those who advertise. Entrepreneurs are people who start businesses. Those who work as independent contractors. Coaches for company. Agencies that generate leads, those who are experts. Beginners. The list could go on and on. Feature. All you'd need to achieve unstoppable success is included. DFY crypto pages that have already been monetized. In less than 60 seconds, you'll be ready to go. Content, affiliate deals, and beautiful graphics and design come pre-installed. All is automated by powerful technology for a completely set-and-forget solution. Your own authority sites in the booming crypto niche, with no prior experience or upkeep needed. You'll have access to laser-targeted Google traffic as well as a various viral outlet without any analysis or homework. You'll become an instant expert in the crypto niche. Your websites are chock full of trending cryptocurrency topics and material that keep tourists coming back for more. Each piece of content is also pre-monetized with your affiliate links. Done for you fully optimized crypto affiliate sites.
DFY crypto sites that have been pre-monetized and are ready to go in under 60 seconds.
Content, affiliate deals, and beautiful graphics and design come pre-installed. Advanced technology automates the entire process for a completely set-and-forget solution. Your authority sites in the exploding crypto niche, with no prior knowledge or upgrading necessary. Built-in crypto-targeted free traffic. Forget about paying for advertising or wasting time. Your crypto commission sites come with built-in buyer traffic from multiple sources. You'll have access to laser-targeted Google traffic as well as various viral outlets. Cutting-edge viral cryptocurrency content. Without any analysis or homework, you'll become an instant expert in the crypto niche. The websites are chock full of trending crypto topics and content that keep visitors coming back for more. And each piece of content is, of course, pre-monetized with your links. Effortless scaling and customization. Your do-it-yourself sites are designed to take advantage of the crypto niche's explosive growth, and to optimize your profits. Colors, backgrounds, and logos can all be easily customized to fit your brand. Change banners and partner deals with ease. To scale your site and get free traffic, write your own crypto posts. Standalone crypto site builder app included. You also get our first ever crypto site builder software to create your own sites from scratch, in addition to the DFY sites. Top converting commission offers with automatic approval. Ideal for diversifying, scaling, and growing the company as the market continues to expand. top converting commission offers with automatic approval. The vendors have filled your site with the most recent, highest converting crypto deals in order to optimize your results with a diverse income stream, including recurring offers for the ultimate laptop lifestyle. Crypto Commissions also offers you an unfair advantage in the booming cryptocurrency market by providing. What are the benefits of crypto commissions? Get in front of the next big thing in years. The automated system can be accessed from any location. Designed specifically for beginners. No monthly fees, if you sign up now. Generated massive lists of cryptocurrency buyers. Increase the value of your own cryptocurrency portfolio. There is no need for a website, technical expertise, or prior experience. Fresh, first-to-market framework. Unlock the laptop way of life. The elite affiliate marketer created a tried-and-true system. Price and upsells. I'm astounded at how inexpensive Crypto Commissions is in comparison to all of the high-quality animated videos included in this box. If you take a peek at a short summary of all you'll get in this Crypto Commissions below, you'll see that the cumulative amount of all the amazing features is up to $14,464. However, for the current front-end price of this commodity, you just need to pay $17. To be frank, this is a very good price. I strongly advise you to buy it now, as the price will skyrocket once the exclusive launch period ends. The 180-day money-back guarantee policy will cover your investment. As a result, this is a risk-free investment for you. Review of Crypto Commissions in my opinion. Thanks to new technology that automates crypto buyer traffic and builds your crypto portfolio from world-class platforms, everyone can develop their crypto portfolios on autopilot. These hand-picked channels, along with many others included in this Crypto Commissions, combined with the built-in cutting-edge technology will position you in front of the most lucrative new money niche you've ever seen. Crypto Commissions is a modern way for you to profit from the booming cryptocurrency sector. You'll have access to 100% free crypto-targeted traffic built in from a hidden source of over 100 million customers. It will teach you what you need to know to start maximizing your income in the crypto market with the comprehensive training tutorials inside. Furthermore, it is not another piece of push-button software that is obsolete. It's brand new, and it's been proven to work. As a result, I'd have to say that this product, even for total beginners, is extremely user-friendly. Many of the beta testers were completely new to online marketing and are already seeing fantastic results with the app, so you can do the same. Pricing. Front end, early bird $17, price will rise every hour. Auto 1, unlimited, $67-$47. Auto 2, 100% done for you, $97-$67. Auto 3, unlimited traffic, $97-$67. Auto 4, automation, $67-$47. Auto 5, ATM edition, $67-$37. Auto 6, license rights, $197. Conclusion. I hope that my Crypto Commissions analysis has provided you with valuable product details. Crypto Commissions is exactly what you need to generate traffic and improve your online business in the crypto market, whether you are a newbie or a guru in this area. Keep in mind that a commodity of this nature cannot be made any less expensive. This product is a gem at a great price, and I'm certain you won't want to miss out on it. Click the first link in the description now to get your discount.